Hi, Luke and Julie with the Knowles Woolsey team. Welcome to our newest listing at 22 Murray Street. We couldn't be more excited to share with you this 4-bedroom, fully renovated home.
And if you don't know Allandale, now you know. We're right in the heart of the city. We've got mature trees, great spot to raise a family, close to everything, and only a 10-minute walk to the beach. Now, if you think this home has everything inside, stay tuned to the end because I hear Scott and Chad around here somewhere and they've got a special surprise for us.
This closed-in porch is a perfect spot for storing your snow pants, your work clothes, and those muddy boots on the rainy days.
The kitchen is always a spot in the house where people gather, and this is going to be no exception. This has been completely upgraded with modern cabinets, quartz countertops, and even a wine fridge. And it's open to this family room that has a wood fireplace and is perfect for entertaining.
A few of my favorite upgrades in this home are the beautiful bamboo floors and the laundry room. If you're going to have to do chores, it's always nicer to do it in a space that's beautiful. Some people are shower people, some people are bath people, but in this home, you don't have to decide. Can you pass me a loofah?
Here you go.
This raised deck is the perfect place to entertain. It's low maintenance with composite decking and plenty of privacy.
And if grass is more your thing, you got some space to entertain back here, have a few drinks by the fire, and a fully functional setup, all pre-wired for a hot tub. Believe it or not, we're down in the basement right now. Great little in-law basement apartment, above grade, 2 bedrooms. Check out the kitchen, this thing's beautiful.
Guys, with a kitchen this nice, we've got stainless steel appliances, dishwasher, stove. This is gonna please even the pickiest of in-laws, certainly those kids that hang around home a little too long. For more information on this listing and others, check out our website.